Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a line chart or a line graph to a bar graph in Google Sheets. So all you have to do once you're inside that sheet, guys, you want to go ahead and click on the graph that you currently have there. As you can see, this is my line graph or line chart. And then from here, click the three dots at the upper right hand side and click on edit chart. Now you will now be taken into the chart settings here, and here all you have to do is change the chart type. So you want to switch this from line chart to bar, and if you hover it, you will find something that says column, and that's basically a bar chart. Or if you scroll down, you will see that you have different options. So you have the column charts here, you can choose, you can easily choose, and here you will also find a bar chart as well. So you can choose if you want to use this type of bar chart or this type of column chart, or if you want to use this type that basically shows just like this. So they're all under the sections here. So you have different bar charts here, so you can select. So let's go ahead and choose this bar chart, select this one, and guess what? It changes. So it depends really if you want to have it like this in this layout. You can choose this kind of a bar chart, or if you want to have it like this, you can have it like this as well. I really don't think it's matter. It depends how you want to present the data. So you can either choose the column or the bar chart really. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.